Find or read reviews that people are talking about S ZEVZO A11 5500A car battery jump starter. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Start 12-volt dead batteries. This new version A11 jump starter battery pack has a boosted cranking power of 5500 amp and can instantly start your 12-volt vehicles with up to all gas and 10.0-liter diesel engines including motorcycles, SUVs, trucks, cargo vans, ATVs, snowmobiles, yachts, and the like. One full charge supports up to 50 times starts, perfect for every car owner. Works as a portable power bank. The A11 Portable Jumper Starter Pack is more than a jump starter but also a power bank that has 88.8 watt-hour high battery capacity. It has two USB quick charge ports, 5V/3 amp, to charge numerous electric devices such as your phones, earbuds, cameras, tablets, drones, and more. The additional auto shut-off function keeps this jump box in standby mode for up to 2 years after a full charge. Emergency light and bigger LCD display. The A11 car battery starter is equipped with a 500-lumen LED flashlight that has 3 light modes: continuous lighting, strobe, and SOS. It is portable and handy for use in dark environments for conditions like car breakdowns, blackouts, and power failures. There is also an upgraded bigger LCD display for you to check the current battery and product status timely. 10 full protections with upgraded metal clamps. A11 jump starter has adopted a new version of all-metal jumper clamps, strong and built to last. It also has a built-in 10 protection system: reverse polarity, short circuit, overcharge, overcurrent, low temperature, high temperature, overvoltage, reverse charge, overload. It is 100% safe when using this portable jump starter. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.